Leonardo da Vinci is a world famous painter who painted many paintings. He was an Italian artist, although he has many paintings. He is now for one painting, which is the Mona Lisa. But many believe that he has hidden many secrets in the painting. What is hidden in Da Vinci's Mona Lisa? The Mona Lisa is considered one of the best painting in the world. It is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci, one of the best painter in the world. He painted such a picture in the 16th century. At the time of painting, the Mona Lisa was not of much importance. Later, the mystery behind the painting became world famous is that Da Vinci hid it. The painting is known throughout world as the Mona Lisa, but its real name is Mona Lisa. The Italian word Madonna is Monna. The word Madonna means my lady. When the word Mona Lisa was translated to English, it's become Mona Lisa. This picture also has another name, La Gioconda. La Gioconda is also an Italian word. The meaning of the word is the one that laughs. He can see a mysterious smile in the picture of Mona Lisa. That is, if the viewer looks at the picture with a happy heart, the picture can also be seen as smiling. Or if we look at it with a sad heart, the picture can also be seen as sad. The person in the painting, or rather the model, is the subject of debate and controversy to these days. Many argue that it was Lisa Gherardini, the wife of Florentine silks merchant Francisco del Giocondo. Many believe that she was 24 years old, but others believe that the model was a younger assistant of the painter and painted as a woman. Others believe that the model was Da Vinci himself. Still, others believe that there was no such model and that the person in the painting is only a figment of Da Vinci's imagination. Da Vinci was born on April 15, 1452, in the village of Aghiano near Vinci in the province of Florence, Italy. He combined the name of his place with his name. He was skilled in all scientific, technical, and artistic disciplines. Thus, at the age of 30, he painted the world famous painting, The Last Supper. In 1499, he went to Florence and later painted the Mona Lisa. Therefore, the painting is more than 500 years old. The uniqueness of the Mona Lisa is that it does not have eyebrows. Researchers who realized this and examined other paintings by Da Vinci found that most of the paintings were not completed. Observers say that although Mona Lisa has a smile on her lips, you can see sadness in her eyes. The Mona Lisa was stolen in 1911 but was discovered 2 years later. In 1956, a visitor threw a rock at the painting. Since then, the painting has been protected with bulletproof glass. The painting, which has been protected for $7,000, has some secret that have yet to be revealed.